In this video, I will demonstrate how to program the ATS7308 unit from computers in my local network. So I need to press the option JSON and load settings, and then press load settings. So that's taking that action account. So the JSON option can be configured either in the array config on the right selection mode, so by pressing here. And before starting, I'm gonna erase any content that I have in the JSON files test. So I'm gonna make an empty file, so load that and I update registers. And you see, every time I press, let me put it here, I'm writing in the burst mode the JSON strings that basically configures the ATS738 hardware. So once this is done, so you see the configuration that's passing actually to the hardware unit, I can write individual registers by selecting write. So this computer that I have is running as a server mode and accepting communication from any device in my local network, and is actually connected to the ATS7308 unit. So I can look on the here on the IP configure for this computer. So it's the 10.0012, and I want to look particularly on the test files that I have. So I have in a small tool and with the socket client and the socket server. So let's look at the configuration that I want to test my platform. So I'm going to open, I can even with a text editor, so that will do the job. So let's put the tools with the text editor, JSON, and I open the client here with a notepad. And you'll see that the host is configured for the same value that I have in my platform. And this is the address and the configuration. So I'm going to put here 05 that represents the resistor 2A, and then save the files, and then I want to run this file because the server is still waiting for communication. So let me get here on the command. So I'm going to write Python, and then I have a socket client. So one is done, if you see that's released, and they also say, okay, 2A is written. So I can do the same. Let's now go with the 2B. And 2B is the address 25. I'm just going to save this file at 25 and do the same process. Oops. So client, and then it's released, and 2B is written. So let's inspect now the files. So you have here the JSON files that's written for the resistance 05 and the 25, which represents the 2A and 2B. Thanks for watching.